And we have to follow the Constitution dahil yan po ang rule, ang law na nag-prevail, hindi yung opinion ni Lacson or ng ibang senador na wala namang alam sa batas.
Opo. At doon naman sa issue naman ng bilangan para ma-convict, no? O bilang para ma-convict nga si VP Sara Duterte. Ngayon ay dalawa po sa mga senador ang wala po doon sa Senado. Isa po siya dahil nakakulong nga itong si Senator Jingo Estrada at hindi natin alam kung saan pa si Senator Bato de la Rosa. At may mga nakaamba pang mga reklamo o kaso yung ilan pa sa mga senador, lalo na dito po sa minority po, sa tinatawag po nating Cayetano Black attorney. Pwede ho ba? Maaari ho bang mag-decide yung Senado kung sino lamang o ilan lamang ang po pwedeng boto kailangan para po sa conviction kay VP Sara Duterte?
Alam mo, pag impeachment proceeding, ang batas na nag-apply dyan, hindi yung gusto ng mga senador or ilang senador, kundi ang Constitution. And Article 11 of the Constitution is very clear. To secure conviction, you need 2/3 vote of the Senate. When you say of the Senate, you are talking of a 24-member Senate, hindi yung physical number of senators present. So, 2/3 of 24, 2 times 24, 48, divided by 3 equals 16. At that number cannot be lowered. That's the number required for conviction. And Senator Lacson and the others who are not lawyers even, cannot insist on that na pwede nilang babain. Hindi sila magde-decide niyan, kundi ang Constitution. Kahit pa Senate sitting as an impeachment court, hindi ibig sabihin na sila ay ay susunod sa law of the jungle. They follow the Constitution still. With more reason, they should follow the Constitution. Otherwise, void na naman ang kanilang proceeding, and that will be a blessing in disguise for Vice President Sara Duterte. She can disregard the ruling, question the matter before the Supreme Court, and she will win. Klaro yan. In fact, as early as 2016, retired Chief Justice Davide, renowned constitutionalist at sumulat ng 1987 Constitution, was very emphatic. 2/3 of 24 is 16 at hindi pwedeng babain yan to 15, 14, or 13 na gusto ni Lacson. Klaro po yan. And ako naman bilang lawyer na nagsilbi sa mga impeachment proceedings, hindi naman tayo nagmamagaling, no? Pero even if you will survey ang mga abogado, karamihan yan magsabi sa if not all, 16 yan, hindi pwedeng babain. That's very clear. And we have to follow the Constitution dahil yan po ang rule, ang law na nag-prevail, hindi yung opinion ni Lacson or ng ibang senador na wala namang alam sa batas. With all due respect.
Opo. July 6 na po. Huli na lang. July 6 na pong ang nakatakdang araw para po sa paglilitis ni VP Sara Duterte. Hinggil nga dito sa kanyang impeachment case.
Maybe, Jay, that is just preliminary. No? Pwedeng i-move yan because sabi ko nga, wala pa silang resolution doon sa motion to dismiss. Kung wala pang resolution or decision doon sa motion to dismiss na inihain ng depensa, hindi sila pwedeng mag-proceed to trial.
Pero dahil
otherwise, if they will insist without ruling on the motion to dismiss, that will void the proceeding. And that will be another blessing in disguise. Why? Kasi ebidensya na naman yan ng illegality of the proceedings which can be questioned in a proper petition before the Supreme Court. So you see, every mistake, every blunder that the Senate will commit will reflect back on them. Babalik lang yan sa kanila. It will just boomerang. So they should be careful kasi hindi po yan political matter lang. Much of impeachment is legal.
Opo.
And constitutional.
Opo, at dahil nga may impeachment trial na si VP Sara Duterte, dapat mag-focus na lang daw dito sa impeachment, sabi ng ilang mambabatas, at dapat mag-move on na sa flood control scandal.
Yan, very Paul yan. Just because some of the members of the House panel are implicated dyan sa flood control anomaly at sa kamali-malitang kickbacks na napakalaking amount involved, yan ang sinasabi nila. No, with more reason na dapat i-pursue natin yung flood control investigation at maleta delivery scheme investigation. Pera ng taong bayan yan, walang kinalaman sa impeachment. Hindi po yan connected.